think that cooking has really set a groundwork for who I am. It's a way for me to express my personality through my dishes. I really enjoy seeing people enjoy the food. Not only that, but being able to kind of see a little bit of who I am through my dishes and through my cooking style. My name is Rees. I am the owner and executive chef of Key to the Kitchen. My first fond memory of cooking, I was probably 10 years old. I was working in a restaurant that my grandma owned, a marina on the Colorado River. They had a restaurant in the marina, and she would always put me to work as a busboy. She kind of taught me the discipline and the hard work that comes with cooking. The hustle and bustle and the energy of the restaurant, it grabbed me, and I've been trapped ever since. I couldn't imagine myself doing anything other. I got my formal training at the Culinary Institute of America in Napa Valley. I also got my level 1 sommelier certification there in Napa Valley as well. So I worked at a lot of high-end restaurants while I was in San Francisco. The last 3 restaurants that I worked at were all in the top 15 in the US San Pellegrino's top 50 list. All of them had Michelin stars. My most recognizable one is Aquarello in San Francisco. And that was a 2 Michelin star restaurant for over 12 years, and Chef Suzette Gresham really took me under her wing and showed me what a real Michelin star experience should be, and really brought my level of cooking up. Refinement is what separates the good food from the great food. It's that extra step of thinking not only about textures, colors, presentation, but the richness of flavors, the seasoning. Every aspect of it has to be thought of, and it has to be thought of from beginning to end. Not only from the plating of that and the cooking style of that dish, but how your guest is going to eat it as well. How are they going to interact with that dish? That level of refinement is what separates good food from great food. Once you get it, and once you attain that level of great food, and you figure out how to make it like that all the time, it's something that sticks with you, almost haunts you in a way, because then you'll never want to go back to mediocre. What makes cooking such a special experience is being able to express your personality and your style through your cooking. Being able to have people who have never met you before eat your food and see your presentation and feel like they know you.